Here's how to check if your HDMI port is 2.1 on your TV. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the behind of your television and see if it is on 2.1. So as you can see, it is under the 4K 120 Hertz. And then on some television, you will see there the HDMI 2.1 port. So once you see there the port that looks like this, it means that you can go ahead and click and put on the HDMI cord from that. And this is the example of an HDMI 2.0. So as you can see, the pins are just so thin, which is actually good for ultra high speed transfer of data. The last thing that you can do is then go ahead and go to the HDMI signal format of your television and set it as EARC or ARC for more security options. This will not actually affect your laptop HDMI.